Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the cabin quiet and predictable. Close windows and doors and pause variable noise. Next, reset the equalizer to a flat or zero position so you have a neutral reference. Then set your head unit or amplifier volume to your normal listening level, about 70 to 80% of maximum, so adjustments reflect real conditions. Once done, play a familiar, well-recorded test track and listen for imbalance. This immediate baseline prevents chasing changes that are only volume-driven. You now work through frequency zones in order: lows, mids, then highs. Start with low bands to set bass punch. Boost only to the point the kick and bass lines are clear without chest rattling. Reduce if boom occurs. Move to mid-range to bring vocals and instruments forward. Make small, purposeful 2 decibel changes and listen between adjustments. Finish with highs to add air and detail using half to 1 decibel steps. Make sure to toggle between soloed instruments and the full mix so balance holds across songs. You finish by a /B testing. Switch between your tuned EQ and the flat bass line while using 2 or 3 reference tracks to confirm consistency. Once happy, save the preset and avoid extreme boosts. Large gains cause distortion and speaker damage. If you hear harshness or fatigue, reduce high-frequency bands or carve a small dip in the 3 to 6 kHz region. If bass is muddy, tighten crossover or lower sub-level. If problems persist, check speaker phase and wiring as the one-key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.